Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you guys how I am using journaling cards. So these journaling cards are from the Happy Planner and I'm going to show you guys just how I use them in order to keep track of things, household, to-do lists and all of that. So if you didn't see my previous video, I made these journaling card notebooks, or notepads, I should say. And these are what they look like inside. So these journaling cards actually come in like a accessory pack. So you have different items in the accessory pack. So at the top you have a sticker book, you have little sticky notes, and then the journaling cards at the bottom. So I pulled them all apart in order to make these items. So I did this for the top, for the bottom half of the accessory pack and made these cute little journaling cards. So I could just pull this out and I know where my journaling cards are based on the sections. So they are all sectioned out. This is a homebody, glam girl, budget, and planner babe in here. And then this one I have healthy hero, womankind, radiate positivity, and 2 different teacher ones. And so this way I can pick out what I need. These are also on expander discs. That way I can add to them. I still have a little bit of room on each one, but didn't have quite enough room to do all of them on one book. So that is what they look like. So let me begin by showing you guys one completed card, and then I can show you different ideas on what you can write in here, and then stick them in your Happy Planner or any disc bound planner you have. So this one just says happiness on the front of it, and at the back I just wrote down what I wanted to do. So I wanted to meditate, study, personal goals, and so I'll just write down goals to be more specific. And then meal prep, and I also on here I want to exercise and track my food. So I'm doing this as like a running to-do list. So that is what this one looks like. So next one I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Rise and Shine. So I would like to write on here to the 3 things that I would need to clean in my house. So I need to clean, let me use a different pen. So these are, if anyone's interested, these are friction pens and they are erasable and they are great. So I purchased these at Walmart. So the next thing, I think I'm going to use a blue pen, is this one. I'm going to have my top 3. So the top 3 that I need to do is I need to clean the washroom. So just write clean washroom. I need to do laundry. And also I want to clean my Keurig. So that is a second way. So you can run like a little to-do list. Maybe the top 3 things that you need to have accomplished for the week. Maybe even do the same 3 things that you need to do every week or every month or yearly and keep it in the front of your planner. Next, I want to do one for, this is from the budget. So it says buy less and choose well. So there's 3 things in terms of my finances that I do want to change. So I'm going to write them down here. So in my budget planner, I'm going to write, so no spend. This is why I have erasable pens, because if I write it one way and then I want to change it, I love that I can just erase it. So no spend. I want to have continue emergency fund saving. And then the third thing that I want to do is shop my stash. So shop my stash in terms of my planner items, everything, and then I'll just write here, use all the things. I have so many items and I just keep like repeating them based on new releases from Happy Planner, and I'm not using up my stash first. So definitely that is a goal, and I chose this one because I really do need to buy less and then choose well when I am going to make purchases of things that I really want, as opposed to, you know, just kind of constantly browsing or purchasing. So here is another one. It is food sort of related. And then you can just check off whatever it is. Like today is for donuts, friends, adventures. Then you can write 3 things there and also put notes here. So this one I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do a quick little shopping list for this one. So that's another good way. So if you carry your planner and you use it as a wallet, anything like that, this is always good to carry with you. So I'm just going to write my shopping list here. Actually, you know what? Let me get back to this one because I do have another shopping list. So let's do the Healthy Be Active. So this one is from, I believe, the Healthy Hero one. That is what it looks like. So I'm going to write on this one, I have to work out, or come up with workout plans, I should say. So come up with workout plan and a schedule, track my progress in my wellness Happy Planner. Also, I would like to, I do have meal prep on another one, but I should come up with meal ideas. And I'll do them as like weekly, and then rotate those like weekly meal plans, or meal prep, I should say, as well. And then also some things that I want to do. So I want to cut out sugar. Not totally, but just refined sugar. So let's put that refined. And then also I want to get back into intermittent fasting. And I think that's it for this. And pretty much just eat healthy. So I'm going to use this card in order to keep me motivated, to remind myself that I got to do all these things, and I can see it and it's there. And I'll show you how I'm going to put them into my actual like Happy Planner afterwards. Next is, so I knew I had an actual like shopping list. So this is an actual shopping list. I'm not quite sure. Maybe this is from the budget section, but I'm just going to write down things that I want to pick up. So I need to pick up some fruits. And this will be something that I will always buy on like my shop, outside of like probably extra things that I need to pick up, like if I need to pick up more ketchup, all that kind of stuff. But this will be the core of what I really pick up every single time I go. So like fruits and vegetables, like fresh ones. Fresh, and bags of frozen. And also pick up, I want to get some Miracle noodles. And I need to get a couple of jugs of water. And I think that will be pretty much the basic of what I pick up every single time. So just to like give you an idea, I'll continue to add to this in terms of like different healthy eating options, but just to give you, and then here you can put like your bill checklist at the back. So this is a dual function. So this will go into my budget part of my planner. And this one says, make today as good as your hair flips. And I think I'm going to leave this one off. So I'm just going to leave these two off, and I will continue to add to these another time. So this is just a few of the examples of how I'm using these journaling cards and how you can use them. So this first one is going to be just home, things to do every day. And these are 3 things that are going to be top priorities: clean the washroom, do laundry, clean my Keurig on the regular. And then this one is going to be personal sort of goals for myself, and that's why it says happiness. So meditate, study, personal goals, meal prep, exercise, track food. Those are top priorities. And then my grocery shopping list. And then in terms of keeping healthy, I'm going to use this to come up with a workout plan and schedule, track my progress in my happy planner, meal ideas weekly, cut out sugar, intermittent fasting, and eat healthy. And then lastly, this is my budget one. So no spend, continue emergency saving funds, and then shop my stash. So if you guys have any goals, using these cards are great. You know, you just kind of stick them in your planner, and I will show you, for example, this is my happy planner. And I do have a snap-in cover. So let me show you for the week and what I'm doing. So this is actually, hold on, September. That's my journal. So this is my fitness tracker so I'll just take one of these, and then I can stick them in there so I can keep track of it. And just stick it in here like that. And then that way I know exactly what I'm going to use that card for. And I could also stick in, if I wanted to, like stick my shopping list here. And that way I know what I need in order to go grocery shopping with. I could just pull it out and head to the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed how to use your journaling cards from the Happy Planner, or any journaling cards. You could even make your own with index cards, you know, maybe use some paper and put it at the front of it, you know, punch your own and do a DIY that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Bye.